Which of the following statements is false? Here we have number of statements and we have to find which will be the false statement. Statement 1. Mass, speed and energy are scalars. Statement 2. Momentum, force and torque are vector. Statement 3. Distance is a scalar while displacement is a vector. Statement 4. A vector has only magnitude whereas a scalar has both magnitude and direction. So in following statement we have to check about scalar and vector quantities. So first we will discuss about scalar and vector. So scalar quantities are those quantities which can be defined with the help of magnitude. And if we talk about vector quantities are those quantities in which magnitude and direction both are required. So we can simply define scalar are those quantities which can be defined with the help of magnitude, and vector are those quantities which can be defined with the help of magnitude and direction. For example, scalar quantities can be mass, energy, distance, etc. And for vector we can take example as force, torque, displacement, etc. There are number of example. Here we have seen mass, energy, distance. These are scalar quantities because we only need magnitude. And force, torque, displacements are vector quantities because for defining these quantities we will require magnitude as well as direction. Therefore these are known as vector quantity. So according to our statement, in which first mass, speed and energy are scalar quantities, means statement 1 is correct. In second statement, that is momentum, force and torque are vector quantities, that is vector quantities means magnitude and direction. So momentum, force, torque all requires magnitude as well as direction. In third statement, that is distance is a scalar while displacement is a vector. So we have seen distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. So again it is a true statement. Fourth statement, that is a vector has only magnitude whereas a scalar has both magnitude and direction. We have seen scalar requires magnitude and vector require magnitude as well as direction, but in this statement it is saying reverse of the same. Therefore it will be a false statement. So answer of this question is a vector has only magnitude whereas a scalar has both magnitude and direction. Hence this will be the false statement. As we see, scalar can be defined with the help of magnitude only and vector can be defined with the help of magnitude as well as direction. So this will be our final answer. Thank you.